some kind of a point beyond which we can't actually proceed. And I think this is where I believe the regulatory framework will have to act as an enabler to ensure that if we are creating this breed of people, and I'm saying these people may have loyalty to none, their only presence is an agency like this, which says, I'm present at the last mile, come and use me. Now, who all will come and use him? Pardon me, I'm not taking any names. NABARD will have some policy, Reserve Bank will have some policy, IRDA will have a policy, State Bank, SBI, SEBI will have a policy. Each one will have a policy, and you've already created presence. You're saying, I have done my initial investment, come use me, and we will say we can't use you because the enabling environment doesn't exist. So I think the problem, if I could figure out, is that the last mile that we are now debating, we were debating till now, we must all realize is far away. We can continue to debate, and we will have to have this debate, possibly that constituency included in these groups like this, from the demand side. Today we are all from the supply side who are sitting here. We don't have the demand side in this table. So how do we know that demand side needs what we all collectively feel should be delivered to him? I think we will be failing in our duty without knowing their mind, going and delivering something to them. So that's a challenge. Second challenge is having understood, assuming we understood the demand side issue, suppliers are ready to say, I have my heart in the right place, I will do business here, I will do no business here, and I want this demand to get created. Will I get stopped because of some regulatory pressure, or will the environment ensure